Okay, so here we're gonna add our henna powder, and then we're going to add our sugar in there. This is about 15 grams of sugar for the 50 grams of powder, and then 15 ml of essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil. I'm going to add lemon juice. Take it slow, so just adding a little bit at a time, because if you add too much and it's runny, then there's a problem, whereas you can just slowly add in more. And you want to have about a toothpaste consistency. So this is good to start before I'm going to set it aside, and then we're going to let it rest for dye release. So here is paste that I've had sitting out already for 24 hours. So you can see the dye release and notice the color difference between what I have, and see the top layer, it's a little bit darker, so that's all the natural dyes have been released. So that's what I'm looking for. And just mix it up nicely. So this is the final consistency. If there's any issues here, then I'm going to add a little bit more juice. And then I'm going to go ahead and strain the henna now. So just have a regular paper cup. And then the kit comes with a plastic carrot bag, and it's going to help fill up the cones. So you get the stocking with it. That's basically to filter out the henna, and you just fit it into the cup like that. And you're going to want to put in all the paste and make sure the consistency is correct, because after this it's going to go into the cones and you'll have a chance to correct the consistency. Using a rubber spatula to make sure none of the paste is wasted. And then you want to just hold the bag, and you're basically gonna pull out the stocking, which is going to strain the paste and make sure it's super smooth, so that when you're applying it, there's no clogs and it's gonna flow really nicely. You may want to wear a glove because you don't want to hold the stocking that has henna. And then I'm just going to use some tape. So I'm going to go ahead and use the cones that come with the kit. Just snip off a little bit of the larger bag, and then you want to fill in halfway, and then just hold it and pull out the carrot bag that's filled, and then you just want to press down and make sure the paste is all the way to the end. And then to close up the cone, you just want to fold, and that's why it's important not to overfill the cones, because you want to have enough space to close. And then just use a piece of tape and tape up the ends really nice. The henna cone is now ready. Just remove the stopper or the pin at the tip, and the henna will begin to flow smoothly. Always store henna cones in the freezer so they can last for months. When you want to use one, just let it sit out for about 20 minutes, and it's ready to use. And then once you're done, you can just place it back into the freezer for next time. That way your henna is going to last for a long time. And there you go. It's super easy, and this is high quality henna, so the stain is going to be really dark.